questions under type pi, and we are in class number 15 now. Yesterday I explained everything in detail, how to solve, how to evaluate problems of the type px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, or px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c. For both of these two, method is same, only last applying integration formulas are different. We continue problems under this type. Next question, evaluate. Integration 5x minus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So it is in the form of px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c, and that can be evaluated by this method. And yesterday already we solved two problems under this type. This is third one actually. Solution, begin from notation I. Let I equal to integration 5x minus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Call 1. Now we need to express the numerator in the form of constant L into differentiation of quadratic term plus another constant m. Let numerator equals to constant L into differentiation of quadratic expression plus another constant m. What's numerator? 5x minus 2. L into differentiation of quadratic expression is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus m remains same. Further, 5x minus 2 equals to L into bracket differentiation of 3x square 6x, differentiation of 2x is 2, differentiation of 1 is 0, total 6x plus 2 plus m. Better highlight it. At the same time, you call it as equation 2. What is the next step? Let's compare coefficient of x and constants in equation 2. Comparing coefficient of x, constants in equation 2. Comparing coefficient of x and constants in equation 2. First we compare coefficient of x. Left side x coefficient is 5. Right side x coefficient is 6l. So pi equal to 6l means l equals to 5 divided by 6. Next we compare the constant terms. Left hand side constant term is minus 2. Right hand side constant term is L into 2, that is 2L plus m. Hence minus 2 is equal to 2 into L. L value is 5 by 6 plus m. Further, minus 2 is equal to 2 will cancel out, 2 1s are 2 3s are 5 by 3 plus m. So now m equals to minus 2 minus 5 by 3. LCM 3. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 6 minus 5 will be minus 11. Hence m is minus 11 divided by 3. Next, from 2 using in 1 for numerator. Next, right, from 2 using in 1 for numerator. That means for 5x minus 2 we can write L into 6x plus 2 plus m. Hence I equal to integration L into 6x plus 2 plus m divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. What's the next step? Separating terms along with separation of integrations. Separating terms and integrals. Separating the terms. Also the integrals. So after separation we will get here two terms. First one L into integration of 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Plus m into integration of 1 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now substitute values of L and M. Next step, substituting values of L and M. L value is 5 divided by 6 into 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Whereas m value is minus 11 divided by 3 into integration 1 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now this first integration is exactly in the form of integration f dash x by f of x log of f of x, that is 5 divided by 6 into log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 into integration dx divided by. Now this is a type 4 problem, means method of completion of square to be employed. Take 3 common. After 3 common, x square plus 2 divided by 3 into x plus 1 divided by 3. Next step, 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 remains unchanged. Minus 11 by 3. In fact, it becomes 11 by 9 because 3 into 3. Okay, 11 by 3 into 3 integration dx divided by x square X is a multiple of 2, no need of again multiply and dividing by 2. It's after all 2 into 1 by 3 into x. And we need to add how much? 1 by 3 square. Add 1 by 3 square, subtract, same thing. And there is already plus 1 by 3, don't neglect that. Adding, subtracting square of 1 by 3. 5 by 6, log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1, no changes till end of the problem. Minus 11 divided by 9 into integration dx divided by. These three terms will make x plus 1 by 3 whole square. And we simplify this constant term. That means it is actually 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9, LCM is 9. Here 3 minus 1, that is 2 divided by 9 with plus sign. So plus 2 by 9, that is a simplified value of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. 5 by 6, log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1, minus 11 by 9 into integration dx divided by x plus 1 by 3 whole square, 2 by 9 written as root of 2 by 3 complete square. So that is equals to 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 now this integration is in the form of dx by x square plus a square, whose formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here there is already 11 by 9. Now 1 by a, what is a? Root 2 by 3. So it is 1 by square root of 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x by a, means x plus 1 by 3 divided by a is root of 2 by 3 plus some kind of simplification can be done. 3 1s are 3, 3s are, so that is equal to finally 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 root 2 it is into tan inverse of LCM 3, 3x plus 1. After that 3 3 cancel out, 3x plus 1 divided by root 2 plus c is the final answer of this problem. Somewhat lengthy but easy, not that much of complication at all here, but some steps you have to extend. Next problem. Find or evaluate So we are in last 15 in fact. Next question, fourth one. Evaluate. Evaluate integration 4x plus 1 whole divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3. So first step, begin with notation I as usual. Let I equal to integration of 4x plus 1 divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3. Call 1. We express numerator as constant L into differentiation of quadratic expression plus another constant. Let numerator equal to constant L into differentiation of quadratic expression plus another constant M. What's numerator? 4x plus 1 equals to L into differentiation of quadratic expression is 2x square plus x minus 3 plus M will be same. Further, 4x plus 1 equals to L into differentiation of 2x square 4x plus differentiation of x 1, whereas differentiation of 3 left out because 0 plus M. In this case, M will become obviously 0 because same 4x plus 1 already appearing in the numerator of problem. We'll come to know. Next, what? Comparing coefficient of x and constants. That word is right. Comparing coefficient of x and constants. Left side, x coefficient is 4. Right side, x coefficient is 4l. Hence, 4 will cancel out, l equal to 1. Next, what? Comparing constant terms. Left side, constant term 1. Right side, l plus m. That is 1 equals to 1 plus m, or 1 minus 1 equal to m. Therefore, m equal to 0. Next, write from to using in 1 or from to 1 changes. So now from to using in integration I becomes integration L into 4x plus 1 plus m divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3. Now what? Separating terms and separating integrals. On separating the terms and integrals, first one, L into integration 4x plus 1 divided by root of 2x square plus x minus 3. Next one, actually m, but m is 0. You can write m into integration dx divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 2. Now substitute values of L and M. L is 1, M is 0. So it is only integration 4x plus 1 divided by root of 2x square plus x minus 3. Whereas the second term will be 0 because m value is 0. Now this integration is exactly in the form of, it is in the form of integration of f dash x divided by root of f of x, that is equal to 2 root of f of x. Now it is just like f dash x by root of f of x, answer 2 root of 2x square plus x minus 3 plus. I hope you are making it simple, means quite understanding for your mind. Next question under this type 5. So tomorrow next class will be very good class, very interesting one concerned with partial fractions, then evaluation of integrals using partial fractions, but in the next class. Next problem under type 5. Here every problem will be same type, only thing expressions are different but method will not be different, method remains same. Next problem. Fifth question is evaluate. Fifth question, evaluate integration 5x minus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. As usual, first step begin with notation I. Solution. Let I equal to integration 5x minus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Now, express numerator as, let numerator equals to constant L into differentiation of quadratic expression plus another constant M. What is numerator? 5x minus 3 equal to L into differentiation of quadratic expression is x square plus 4x plus 10 plus M. Further, 5x minus 3 equals to L into differentiation of x square 2x plus differentiation of 4x is 4 plus M remains same. Next what? Comparing coefficient of x and constants. On comparing coefficient of x and constant terms. What is coefficient of x? 5. In the right hand side, x coefficient is 2l. 5 equal to 2l implies l equals to 5 by 2. Next, comparing the constant terms. On comparing constants, left hand side constant is minus 3. Right hand side constant is 4L plus m. Now substitute value of L or replacing value of L minus 3 equal to 4 into 5 by 2 plus m, or minus 3 equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 into 5 is 10 plus m. That means m equals to minus 10 minus 3, that is m equal to minus 13. Now write a sentence from to 1 changes to, or from to using in 1. Next step, from to using in 1. So that now I becomes as integration L into 2x plus 4 plus m divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. What is the next step? Separating the terms and integrals. On separating the terms and integrals, first one, L into integration 2x plus 4 pi root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Next one, m divided by m outside into integration dx divided by root of 4x square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Next step will be replacing values of L and m. Replace L and m values. L value is found as 5 divided by 2 into integration 2x plus 4 by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. M minus 13 into integration dx by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. So this is in the form of integration f dash x by root of f of x to root of f of x, means 5 by 2 into 2 root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Minus 13 into integration dx divided by square root of. Here we need to apply method of completion of square. X square, what is 4? 2 into x plus 10. Here 2 cancel out. 5 into root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Minus 13 into integration dx divided by square root of x square plus 2 into x. Actually we need how much? 2 square. 2 square is 4. So 4 can be obtained from this number 10. What is 10? 4 plus 6. Let's write 10 as better. 4 plus 6. Now these three terms will form x plus 2 whole square. At the same time, 6 written as root 6 whole square. So finally, 5 into root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 13 into integration dx by root of x plus 2 whole square plus 6. 6 means square root of 6 whole square. So finally, 5 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 13 into. Now you observe this integration is in which format? It is in the format of integration of dx by square root of x square plus a square, whose answer is log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Now log x means x plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 square plus root 6 square. Root 6 square is after all 6 plus constant. That's the final answer. So I saw one more question under this type. Some 5 to 6 questions I give for your assignment. I hope you will complete them. One more question under this type. Another 5 to 6 questions. You please try yourself because method remains same. Numbers will change. Next problem, 6th one. 5 or evaluate. Find integration 6(1), find integration 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x minus 4 into x minus 5. Before we apply actual present type method, better we shall transfer denominator into quadratic expression. For that we multiply the brackets in denominator. I equal to integration 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x into x, x square. X into minus 5, minus 5x, minus 4 into x, minus 4x, minus 4 into plus 5 will be plus 20. So now I equal to integration 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x square minus 5x minus 4x is minus 9x plus 20 remains same. This you call 1. The remaining steps, like in the last 5 problems, what we have done, exactly same kind of steps like in the last 5 problems. What is the next step? Let numerator equals to constant L into differentiation of quadratic expression plus another constant m. That means here what is the numerator? 6x plus 7 equals to constant L into differentiation of quadratic term is x square minus 9x plus 20 plus m. Six x plus 7 equals to L into Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 9x is 9. Whereas differentiation of 20 is 0 left out plus m. Say equation 2. What is the next step? Comparing coefficient of x and constants. That sentence you write, comparing x coefficients and constants in equation 2. Left side coefficient of x is 6, right side x coefficient is 2l. So 2l equal to 6, 2 to cancels, l equal to 3 because 2 3s are 6. Now the step is what? Comparing coefficient of, in fact, comparing constants. On comparing constants, left side 7, right side minus 9l plus m. At the same time, replace value of l, 7 equal to minus 9 into 3 plus m, or 7 equal to minus 27 plus m, because 9 into 3 is 27. Minus 27 becomes here plus 27, total becomes 34. Next, write from 2 using in 1 or from 2 1 changes. Anything can be written, choice is yours. So from 2 using in 1 now, I becomes as integration l into 2x minus 9 plus m divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Next, separating the terms and separating the integrals. On separating the terms along with the two integrations. First one, L into integration 2x minus 9 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Plus m into integration dx divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Now replace values of L and M. L value is 3 into integration. Whereas m value is 34 into integration dx by root of x square minus 9x plus 20. That is I equals to 3 into. This is just like integration f dash x by root of fx. Answer is 2 root of fx. That is 2 into square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Plus 34 into integration dx divided by square root of. X must be the multiple of 2. So with 9 we shall multiply divided by 2. X square minus 2 into 9 by 2 into x plus 20. What is the next step? Inside root, add and subtract. Add, subtract square of 9 by 2. That is 9 by 2 whole square. At the same time, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Plus 34 into integration dx divided by square root of x square minus 2 into 9 by 2 into x plus 9 by 2 square added. There is already 20. Don't forget that. And write minus 9 by 2 square. Now these three terms will make x minus 2 by 9 whole square, whereas this term will remain unchanged. So these three terms will make surely x minus 9 by 2 whole square. 20 minus 81 by 4 plus 20 minus 81 by 4. The 9 square is 81. Finally, 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 remains unchanged, plus 34 into integration dx divided by square root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square. LCM 4. 4 into 20, 80. 80 minus 1 is, 80 minus 81 is minus 1 by 4. 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 remains same. Plus 34 into integration dx by square root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square. Now we have to write 1 by 4 as a square of a number. 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 square. Now lastly, apply suitable formula 1 out of 6. It is just like in the form of integration dx by root of x square minus a square, whose formula is from earlier class log of x plus root of x square minus a square. So applying one of the 6 standard formula, namely integration dx by root of x square minus a square formula, from that answer is log x means x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square means x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus a square means 1 by 4 plus constant c. That's the final answer. I hope you got good idea about these type of problems. Next 4 problems left as assignment. You please try yourself without fail to get better practice for your side. So try these following common. Common heading is evaluate. 7 points. Evaluate integration. X plus 2 divided by root of 4x minus x square. 8.1 evaluate integration x divided by. In this problem, when you compare the constant term, left hand side constant will be 0 because it is x plus 0. X divided by x square minus 4x plus 6. Of course, with the root. 9th question. Evaluate integration x plus 3 divided by 2x square plus x plus 2. And question number 10 finally, as a homework, evaluate, assignment, because you will go on 10th question, evaluate integration 3 minus 2x. In this problem, when you compare the coefficient of x, how much it is? Minus 2. Keep that in mind. 3 minus 2x divided by x square plus 6x plus 10. I hope these 4 problems you will try without fail. So tomorrow we shall meet type 6, evaluation of integrals by the method of partial fractions. In the next class. Thank you.